Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Priyanka. So today in the video we are going to learn about the children rubrics mentioned by Dr. S.R. Phatak, who is MBBS and who has followed homeopathy very efficiently. So Dr. S.R. Phatak, he is a pioneer of homeopathy in Maharashtra. Dr. Shankar Raghunath Phatak. He was born on 6th of September 1896. He did his MBBS from Grand Medical College in 1924 and started his practice, but somehow was not satisfied with the allopathic treatment. He was convinced about homeopathy while going through Sir William Alsor's writing on history of medicine, so switched over to an entirely homeopathic practice in 1932. So he also started working on homeopathic literature along with his practice. He has contributed immensely to homeopathic literature. So his books are available in 3 languages, that is English, Hindi and Marathi. His book Matra Medica is very popular among the students and practitioners. So his literature is enriched with his own accurate clinical observations and experiences. With such repertoire, it is very useful to practice homeopathy concisely. So being a homeopathic pediatrician, I deal with many children in my day-to-day practice. So this repertoire helps me in finding the proper rubric. Patient comes with any complaints to you and understanding the patient's condition. With the complaint initial, you can search in this repertoire and which guides me to a proper remedy, to a proper similum. So let's start to the topic. So these are the rubrics from a concise repertoire of homeopathic medicines, which is alphabetically arranged by Dr. S.R. Phatak. So infants, if there is complaints with infants, these are group of the remedies. Afraid of everything. If the child is afraid of everything, this is the remedy. If there is disposition to have boils, this is the remedy. Breath loses when angry, this is the remedy. When there is choking on swallowing liquids, this is the remedy. When the child is clumsy, this is the remedy. When he crawls nervously, this is the remedy. When there is cyanotic from birth, history of cyanosis from birth, these are the remedies. Dragged on mother's arms, this is the remedy. Emotion, if the child is emotional, he chats and laughs, this is the remedy. If the child is fatty, chubby, these are the remedies. Complaints when feeded improperly, this is the remedy. So now about fontanelles. Fontanelle is depressed, these are the remedies. Occipital bone is sinking, this is the remedy. Fontanelle is open, these are the remedies. When we check the fontanelles, it pulsates strongly, this is the remedy. If there is reopening of fontanelles, this is the remedy. Then fusses like, this is the remedy. Holds on to mother's hand, this is the remedy. If the children jump, start, scream fearfully, these are the remedies. Lifting aggravates the child, this is the remedy. The nose is red, raw, dirty with, these are the remedies. If the child want to nurse daytime only, these are the remedies. If want to nurse all time, this is the remedy. Running makes him pale, that is pale on running, this is the remedy. Overtaxed with school, this is the remedy. Screams and cry always, these are the remedies. Sleeps all day, cry all night, these are the remedy. If the child has sour smelling, if you check the child, there is sour smelling, this is the remedy. If the child is stammering, this is the remedy. Suckling, these are the remedies. Die early, birth after, this is the remedy. Few weeks old, shriveled and old looking, these are the remedies. Child talks late, these are the remedies. If the child is tall and thin, this is the remedy. If the child looks unhealthy, this is the remedy. Undersection walk, if there is late walking, these are the remedies. Unable to walk from ankle affections, this is the remedy. Want to be nursed in arms, will not be laid down. When the child continually wants to be laid in the arms, this is the remedy. He is weak without any cause. This is the remedy. The child weeps, cry continuously, especially in the newborn infants. These are the remedies. So guys, these are the rubrics mentioned in the Phatak's repertory. I hope this have given you some insight and thoughtfulness about the rubrics, how they have mentioned. For knowing the proper meaning of the rubrics, kindly have the proper knowledge of each rubric and the each disease aspect which they have mentioned. So this will help you to complete the topic of children which has mentioned in SR Phatak repertory. I hope this helps you. If any suggestion, kindly let me know in the comment section. I would love to help you. So thank you for staying tuned. Think healthy, eat healthy and love each other. Bye-bye.